G'day DIYs. I was here yesterday morning laying this patio, and this morning I need to do my uprights, my riser, and what I'm doing here is, this is way out of plumb and I need to plumb it up, so it's probably about a good 10 mil out of plumb, this riser, so I need to make it right and look good. This is how you do it. You always, well, I do anyway. You might want to do it another way. This is the way I always used to cut a straight edge whenever I used to do around pools and outside patios and that sort of thing. Years ago, I mainly do bathrooms now, but this is how you do it. You overlay it and then you're able to cut it straight. This is an old level as a straight edge. So I'm cutting it like that to make my first mark. If I do cut it with water and I've marked it like that, it doesn't wash off. Doing it this way is way quicker and way more accurate. Than cutting them individually. I'm going to be cutting my face. I'm going to be covering the face with aluminium. This whole edge is going to be aluminium. Which finishes it off nicely. I'll check that I'm out far enough. Yep, good. When you're cutting through, don't cut right through, because that corner will break. So as you're cutting, and cut right through. And then as you're cutting across here, that won't break off. Same here. I'll get some water and a sponge and come back to you. We'll see you soon.